How to remove YouTube recommendations on phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. When you launch YouTube and log into your account, you will see a lot of recommendations. If you want to disable or remove it, you need to tap profile icon at bottom right. Now tap gear icon at top right corner. Here you will see your data in YouTube. Select that. Now you will land on Browse or Delete your YouTube Activity section. Scroll down. Look for YouTube Watch History. Simply, you need to scroll down and choose Manage your YouTube Watch History. Now choose Delete icon and tap on Delete all time. Now tap Delete button at bottom right and tap Got it. And then when you go back to YouTube application, simply you need to refresh the section. And as you can see that there is no any recommendations, so we have successfully removed YouTube recommendations on phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.